this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing. This time I have a plug, multiple outlet in the wall outlet, so it has a plug go to the wall or any place, and you can charge your phone, other devices, regular version, night lamp version, time version, white, black, different on the color. This is white time version. So pack is very simple. Price could be depend on the brand. These are paid $10, so 10 to 20, 15, 25, depend where you are buying. In Amazon, price could be little bit higher and better quality. In AliExpress you can find little bit cheaper version. So I'm taking out this one from here. Lovely white color, lovely in this case. The pack, take this out. Here we go. The main product you can see here, lovely. Here you have a number. They will show you how much temperature. I don't know what is that exactly. You have two USB port. You can charge your phone, tablets, watch, whatever. Also two C port to charging. So you can charge many devices, your iPhone. Even I think you can charge your Mac as well. So we'll try that. Here you have European plug. If you want American plug, other version you can ask. So 3 plug for directly charger, computer, other things, and also 4 more, total 7 in 1. You have a button here, on and off timer. You can time this one, so it will stop automatically in some moment if you are not in house. You can remember this is for the timer, this display in this case. So cable, you can see the big cable, I think 1.5 meter generally this cable are. Plug, European plug here, covered lovely with something to not to make it dirty or something. Here tied, lovely 1.5 meter cable in this case. Here something is written, you can read manufacturer, Shenzhen, address, Chinese address here. This stick in some place in China. Some information is written, made in China. Model number, output input 110 to 220 volt. Other information is written. Build quality of this product is very good. I feel it doesn't move anything inside, so I feel a very high quality product, guys, in this price. So this is unboxing part. I'm going to show you now how it looks if you connect your computer, other device with this. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.